Looking at the next questions, the first part we have to look at is we're looking at log to the base e of ax. Remember that very clearly, we saw previously that log to the base e is the same as ln. Okay, so if our question is log to the base e, actually that's not log to the base e, it's f of x is equal to log to the base e. So f of x is equal to log to the base e of ax. That's actually ln ax. Okay. Now, the rule that we saw to use before was that if f of x is equal to ln of x, then f prime of x is equal to 1 over x. So here we have two things we have to do. We have to differentiate the ln here, and then beside that we differentiate the a to the power of x. So what does that look like? Looking at the first one, our f prime of x. Okay, so we differentiate our ln of ax. So if we differentiate ln, we get 1 over whatever it is that we're looking at. So it's going to be 1 over and what's in the brackets, which is ax. Then we have to differentiate and multiply that by the derivative of the ax. And if we differentiate ax, we get a. Because remember, a is a number. Okay? So then I can put that over 1 and I can multiply them. And 1 times a is a. And 1 times ax is ax. I then divide out my common factor, and I am left with 1 over x. The next one I have to look at is ln 3x. So it's the exact same thing. So my f of x is equal to ln 3x. So my f prime of x is going to be 1 over what comes after the ln, which is 3x, multiplied by the derivative of what comes after the ln. So when you differentiate 3x, you get 3. I put that over 1 and multiply. So now I get 3 over 3x. I will divide out my common factor, and 3 into 3 goes once. So I got 1 over x. Okay, so remember here where I'm crossing out those 3's, I'm actually dividing. I'm not just getting rid of them, I'm dividing them. And now the third one, my f of x this time is ln of x squared plus 1. So my f prime of x is, remember, I differentiate my natural log first. So that's 1 over whatever comes after the ln. That's x squared plus 1. Then I multiply that by the derivative of what comes after the ln. And if I differentiate 2x squared plus 1, I get 2x. Then I put that over 1. And I multiply top by top. 1 times 2x is 2x. And 1 times x squared plus 1 is x squared plus 1. Now, having looked at those, we can now do question 2. Make sure any difficulties, you let me know about them. You should be fine, but if you're not, any questions, you let me know.